Hi everyone, I'm Faith Yanez, owner of AZ Skin Rehab in Chandler, Arizona, Esthetician of the Year in 2021 and a proud Skin Games judge. And somewhere along the way, I became an OG. I've decided that stands for old girl, and I'm okay with that. I started competing in the Skin Games in 2019. I was a finalist in acne and holistic, and I remember thinking, wait, I can actually do this. In 2020, I entered more categories and placed first in pigmentation, second in holistic, and third in acne and compromised. That's when I decided this wasn't about trophies, it was about elevation. It pushed me to refine my protocols and raise my standards. In 2021, I made a decision, another one. One more year and I'm gonna win, and I meant it. That year, I earned first place in acne, compromised, open medical pigmentation, and I placed second in age management and selfie, third in holistic, and was named Esthetician of the Year. Not bad for someone who didn't even start aesthetics until the age of 50. Yes, 50. Don't do the math, just moisturize. I've been licensed for 11 years, and acne correction is where my heart lies. When you treat acne, you change lives. It's not just breakouts, it's confidence. In my studio, we do a lot of detective work. We look at all lifestyle, diet, stress, inflammation, and then integrate strong clinical correction. The magic happens when holistic and clinical approaches work together. Brands that shape my journey include Face Reality, ProCell Microchanneling, 2B Bio, Beauty, Heal and Hush, Circadia, and many more, and as they continue to elevate the profession, because we're only as good as the protocols we stand behind. Just as important were the mentors, previous winners, fellow competitors, estheticians who shared instead of guarded, and Jennifer for building something that truly builds us. The Skin Games has become my yearly reunion, especially during the 10th anniversary Rhinestone Rodeo celebration. It's where I get to see my SD besties celebrate growth and watch this industry continue to raise the bar. To future estheticians, especially the ones comparing themselves right now, don't do it. Do you. Don't compare timelines, don't compare trophies, don't compare followers. Comparison can quietly steal your confidence. There's room for all of us here. Enter, stay involved, reach out. This community will stretch you, and that stretch is where growth lies. Outside of my treatment room, I'm a mother of 4 and a grandmother of 6, ages 18 all the way down to 3 months. That truly is where my heart is. Building this career later in life while growing a family legacy has been one of my greatest blessings. I'm honored to be part of this family, the Skin Games family, and as a competitor, as a judge, and as an OG. Here's to continuing to raise the standard together.